the best part about it.
I've defeated you before, I will do it again! I'll tell you!
Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Carly. We focus on everything Star Wars related here. We focus on a lot of collectible stuff. Some of you may not know this, but in the lightsaber community, either on Facebook, on Instagram, just in the community in general, on Discord, people do a lot of lightsaber trading. Typically when people are more lightsaber collectors, they really have an eye out for something that they want, but usually it's like the other person is also looking for a certain lightsaber. So you kind of settle for like a trade sort of situation. So a friend of mine named Nick, otherwise known as Solo Photographer on Instagram, he is also a lightsaber collector and he has
something I want.
A certain lightsaber that I have been eyeing for probably a year now. I don't know if you guys have gone this far back in my YouTube channel. Please don't, because my old videos were very cringy. But it was a vlog where I went to Galaxy's Edge for the first time. And I had met Nick for the first time on that trip as well. So this is my friend Nick's saber, and he showed off one of his lightsabers. I am a massive fan of The Force Unleashed. I freaking love The Force Unleashed. And Starkiller, Legends and canon together, he's probably one of my favorites, if not my favorite. Not only is Starkiller one of my favorite characters, but Starkiller's lightsaber is one of my favorite lightsabers of all time, if not my favorite design, and you will see why in a second. It's a Profi lightsaber from Korbanth, and it's the Starkiller custom lightsaber with a lot of weathering. With this certain saber, I feel like it looks a lot better weathered than it does not weathered. But without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys along with me to Orlando to meet up with Nick and trade the lightsabers. And basically show you guys how a lightsaber trade kind of goes down. And after that, we're gonna take a look at this lightsaber. We're gonna take a look at this lightsaber right here. So, cut to the clip.
Hey guys, I'm Nick. Some of you may know me as Solo Photographer on Insta. Some of you may know me as Mind of a Geek on TikTok.
That's right. And we're doing a lightsaber trade. I'm trading my Ben Solo and my Kylo Ren for, oh my god.
Do the little 360
It's
twist
so
on my
pretty.
hands.
Oh my god. That's insane. It's gorgeous. What's your favorite thing in the collection? I see you have the Starkiller helmet.
Yes.
That thing is sick.
So I commissioned someone to make it look like Starkiller if he was an Inquisitor. It's pretty cool. It's
That,
heavy.
oh my
But,
god.
like, the weathering and the detail.
Jesus. It's got like a second sister vibe to it too. Jeez, and they like custom weathered it and everything.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Insane, insane. You got a lot of helmets.
That's Sophie's, that's her pride and joy.
So cool. What's your favorite saber in your collection?
For the moment, because I have several more coming,
Cool.
I gotta say Ezra.
And what board is that?
So this is Profi.
Coffee?
Yeah, one button. So it just looks like a relic. Who knows?
Speaking of relics,
Yes, we have.
that thing.
It is gorgeous.
That is, oh my god, in the back too.
Like everything's detailed.
God,
Crazy.
I love Proxy.
Me too. I hope they bring some sort of droid that's like Proxy back to canon.
Oh yeah, very cool though. Thank you for giving me a tour of your collection.
Of course, thank you
The
for
Kylo.
the awesome clips.
Of course, I hope you like them. And this, I'm in awe. All right, that was exciting. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to my friend Nick. You can find him at Solo Photographer on Instagram. He's an insanely talented photographer, insanely huge Star Wars fan, insanely huge Starkiller fan, so green flags, go follow him, go check him out. Gosh, I say this in every video and I'm probably getting really annoying at this point, which I don't blame you, just click off, you know? This is probably the prettiest lightsaber I own. This is the Korbanth Starkiller Galen Marek lightsaber. And I'm sure you guys can tell, but it has that crystal reveal chamber. Literally a 1-to-1 to Starkiller's actual lightsaber. I can't get over how incredibly detailed this lightsaber is. And I love how weathered it is, because Starkiller's lightsaber, that thing is junk. It's not supposed to look clean. It's not supposed to look pristine compared to, let me show you guys. Starkiller's master is of course Darth Vader, and Starkiller's lightsaber looks identical to Anakin's. It's identical, but it looks just like the complete bare minimum, you know? Completely inspired by his master's weapon. So there are a couple issues with it currently. It needs to be resoldered, and
as long as she lives, I will always control you.
so I can't switch any fonts right now, even though it's loaded with a bunch of Starkiller fonts. But luckily the font it's currently on is a Starkiller font, but it's blue, which is fine, but still. The prettiest thing about the saber is the crystal. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it looks like the crystal is breathing. And it's insanely pretty. Gosh. Like I said, there's no buttons currently on it, so to turn it on, you have to. Super pretty. Incredibly responsive smooth swing, I will say. I'm excited to someday get it like resoldered, because the USB port is off of it and there's no buttons on it, but it's a beautiful display piece and it turns on, so I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad about it. I think I'm gonna take the blade out of my saber trio currently, because I'm not using it right now. And then we're just gonna put the blade right in, twist it. All right. Wow, it's so pretty. Let's see what it looks like in the dark. Jeez. I mean, come on. Yeah, I think this is genuinely the prettiest lightsaber I own. And the best part about it.
I've defeated you before, I will do it again! I've always been stronger than you!
Yet you failed to defeat me. You wish to play at being a Jedi, so be it.
I'll tell you!
Amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. I just love how the crystal, whenever you turn the saber off, it's just still breathing. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Did I mention it's pretty? I don't think so. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun to do this lightsaber trade, and I'm really grateful with the outcome. I'm really grateful to have this in my collection now, because this might be my favorite. This might be my favorite saber in my collection, just because Starkiller. Just because Starkiller. Obviously. And if you guys have a chance to get your hands on one, I highly recommend it, because these are very pretty and probably my favorite saber design of all time. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe down below, and it means the world that you guys are interested in my content, because I love making it for you guys and I love collecting, and I'm happy that I have a platform to share my ridiculous collection. My ridiculous collection on. And a special thank you to all of my members. Your support means the world to me, and I really appreciate you guys. So thank you. Aside from that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and may the Force be with you.
I'll tell you!
That too. Bye guys.